Hi, Caters.
Okay, real quick.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, are you sad? Honey, it's okay.
I'll be back.
Honey, it's okay. Daddy will come back. She says, I feel abandoned. Oh, it's okay. Are you going up the steps? I'm going to follow you. Come on, show the world what you can do. I'm right here. Careful. You can get it. Come on. Go on. Come on. No kitty food. Oh, right there. There you go. Here. Go. Come on, go get it. Come on, Caters. Who's crawling? Come on. Go ahead. Don't play with your brothers. Come on. I'm right here. Mama's right behind you. Look at that girl. 10 months old and crawling up the stairs. Go on, you don't want to stop. We never stop on the steps. You can do it. Whoa, it's okay. If you want to get Daddy, you got to get him. Right here. So strong. She's fast too. Go ahead. Go on. It's okay. Go on. Yeah. Get on that step. That's right. Mama's right behind you. You can't go anywhere. See my leg?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So I wasn't going to let you leave me down there. I'm coming to get you.
No, I'm doing blast off with Daddy.
Yeah, okay. It's coming to get you guys.
Do blast off now.
Come on, last step,
Do
honey.
blast off. Blast off.
Honey, I don't think Daddy can do blast off sitting in the hallway.
Daddy, go in my room and do blast off.
Oh, hi, kid. Hello. Or Will. Be nice to your sister.
William, honey, we're on camera.
Boom.
Be on your best behavior, Will.
You'll have to see yourself.
Yeah.
You can try to find Mildred. Can't find her though. It's dark in here, isn't it?
Who's the designer doing?
Do you hear her?
I want to take a picture.
Oh, I heard a hiss. She's over here.
I see Mildred.
Hi, Drid.
How would you do?